Hi guys, welcome back.
Where's your CT Mod shirt?
Well, Clint hasn't sent me one.
Busted.
I'm just kidding. Today we're going to replace our cigarette lighter with a USB charging thingy because we don't need a cigarette lighter. And then we're also going to put on our turn signal. Did you print these?
No, I bought them from somebody that printed them.
Yes, somebody else printed them, but so what we're gonna do today. And then maybe for 5 more horsepower we're gonna put on the jimny badges.
Yes!
Because, you know, let's go. Come on.
7 hours driving on the highway, far away, far away, far away. Every moment I was spending on regrets was such a waste, such a waste, such a waste. Looking on the city lights, flashing bright in my eyes. Look up to the sky and I got this relief inside, and there's no need to hide. I'm going all the way up.
We can. Now what? Now what are we doing?
Not.
You wash your nasty hands?
Yeah.
Then what?
Okay. Then you're gonna help me put in the thing.
I'm gonna help you. You do it.
No.
I tell you how to strip wires.
Yes.
Angel has found a new toy.
Look at it. Look at it. We would have been able to tell. Okay, no, we still wouldn't have been able to. Okay.
So what have you done so far?
We took out the radio. This is the bad one. That's messed up.
This is the bad one?
Yeah, I have the good one in between my legs.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Okay.
Good is here.
Alright.
The bad is there.
Okay. And then we're gonna hook this little USB guy up.
Yeah, wherever the hell is that? Where's that?
Right here. Here's your
Uh-oh.
wire strippers. Oh, did you take the battery off?
I don't know.
Is the battery off or on? Let's go check.
I'm going all the way up. I'm going all the way up. I'm letting go in my heart of everything that holds me down. No, no. And it's feeling like I've been enough. I can feel the love. Oh yeah, it's all around me. Oh, I need to know how I can make up. Not afraid to fall. A parachute behind me. It's a clean slate. Got a reason.
Right on?
Yeah.
Beep, beep, beep.
Good show.
Yep.
What does it say?
12.8. Okay. Listen here, Linda. Get your shit with the program. See, I could charge all the things.
That's freaking awesome. Good job, kid.
Yeah.
Now we gotta set our clock again.
Okay, we're done now. I'm done.
Alright, bug. You did good today?
Done. Bye.
Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day.